na se Nyankopon ma me hu se Owusu Bempah nya no kwafo onye dwuma no osi moja mu nya dwuma no bonsam ono de odi afa odi free mu so no kasa ya so nyaja na dwuma na moyem se wiasifo na abatu Owusu Bempah dia me kwa me ndiri ni da oyofofo mutio se wiasifo na abatu Owusu Bempah dia me kwa me ndiri ni da se ekem last se ya se ka to me minim se me ni Owusu Bempah ni na me nya kwa me me twanity because me jo Owusu Bempah dia me kwa he me ka kwa cho afi de ni mu da ho eni mu ada ho nti me bo bia wo papa no me bo kokko dan free ntai me ka mo bia tie bi obia ti Ghana a ko Owusu Bempah so de se dan to kra nkwa papa no trofo me ka mo bia tie bi obia ti Ghana a ko Owusu Bempah so de se dan to kra nkwa papa no trofo
abusiafo obaso na wa share video no na wa invite say ede amame yeba abedi enkomo kakra mo ho at say me mama good morning and ramiko program bi tina me sheba bi coded bi Obaswana wa share no wa invite say Montage Owusu Bempah Emma me na Montage Diamond appear agency all the Enkwasiafo group tag them for me Owusu Bempah the cockroaches and the ants are watching on my banner wouldn't say omuntimi fight him out Owusu Bempah me say was squad na odi omoba no they can't fight for you Diamond appear na be ka asem ye nti a won puna Owusu Bempah na wadi wo hwe ama wo hwe aboso na wuntimi nwale no Owusu Bempah di wo hwe Diamond appear ama wo hwe aya wo ka na wuntimi nwale be ma bia ba wo hwe ho a na wadwane because Owusu Bempah atete wo hwe se pacha. How can you compare Owusu Bempah to Obofo? Small boy Obofo, how are you? And then they get a responsible man. No crowd where you back out, be so quam Obofo, Quasia, a brand here come Owusu Bempah na yamone. Oba Bolab no sooner say na invite. That appear I decided not to give you attention by Ujimi and then me babe Kenya. I saw when you two neighbor. I would be quarantine will be fear. Ebe bia no sa wodi anso ni baby da. Diamond appear shut up. Diamond appear aka wanu tum na aninti ni aninti ena enya asem kona koda na wunyo bia dama bia wo se dan Owusu Bempah so a nation prophets American visa onibi passport onibi so you can't compare Owusu Bempah to me. You can never. Where your friend Anopa Coco breakfast share. And I think that Jimmy for Bodan for Quasiam penny my bra, but was some ya betu piga. Owusu Bempah me someone kwala ni de me fi wo mo ba me ba be de omo ni namu predel na fe we have you know aba wa so asiam pani sofo a wuntime ntena sanwen nwale wo ye nipa o man say dan o ma delete o Facebook wa bua papa ye de beta wa ba wo dem ho am wo Owusu Bempah e kwa ye be fo so ye nmu bi gbati ye nmu nsem no emfa wo so wa delete o Facebook o so wani adene you face me afa wo delete o Facebook chat aye dan kwase ya wanti ye kura obeti Owusu Bempah me se wonti a obeti ko fa nipa no mo mekasa wo si kejesi obi onu ye didi kogina court a lawyer kura woni sika wo de be fa bi aboa me say penkrofo bra no mo ne me meko a wo se dan mo apia now gege kura krasini ba no kro no kra man fi no dan mo apia dan mo bra men kanya sasam so we oba share video no na share na invite the N kwasiafo ku mo me share video Oba bolav no eso bolike no so na bolav no eso ye ba baby enko enra da mo apia betiti na num krase ni ba want to be for nanimu ba wani mu se kraman da mo apia wani mu so odwanfu ena no agebe so ba interview hwe wani mu asefu a yade da no Damu apia wo si egu wonu mu nyina apro. Wasia ba we na mpanifo bi amom ho kwan na mu di nachi. Damu apia me so Owusu Bempah di wadi wo che. De wo ye ni nyina na ye kratwe na wo twi o me se ne bedroom ho makọ ba. Damu apia me se me mawura Owusu Bempah bedroom ho makọ ba. Ba shit na wo toko se mpa no so no me makọ ba. Ni kro na apro na ebon no me makomi aba ayo di nyina me di bi gugu kro ni asia ready Owusu Bempah di wadampo why you useless damu apia wo yo ba wale me yenhwe wani mu tantan se kura damu apia wani mu se kura akura Abusuafo share video no na yenko yanim enra emse damu apia ebejimi ye ai ashawo kobo tutu ni ba no oba wotimi twa plane ticket 2 pine kodi ni twem no waba damu apia let me tell you we don't have anything to go to do in America me ni hwea me koye she me kwade me ko holidays what I say ba me wo fi papa tim and papa so it there is no need say I will waste my time say me chat ticket una only jumadie Owusu Bempah to my girl and mu friend and say we the nation demon kwasiam penny mine like that or no kwa visa or kwa near refuse no so you can't compare anybody to Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah is a useless man in this country. Why a stupid man in this country kwasiam penny I want me and taking care of the congregation na personifie aboa ye pesofo ni nyansa wo man mu a he ne aboba asofo di a how can you compare Owusu Bempah to some pastors da ma bia me ba be bo wonu mu nsam ne kakra na ma gina so reply because wo wonya relevant it be better me put more energy on you o ye krasini me say ashawo no is too much pekunu na worry da ma bia pekunu Ninja su didi na fufuachi wadane beggar. Opese wiase hu say wo de wo ho but unyo bia. Utimi current car. Now dia bema maame dokono say eye gift. Ade be che no na car dealer na koje free maame dokono nsem. Dan mo bia wo you useless o. That is why I decided say me few. Me ba be bo wonu mu nsem ne kakra. Na me gira so reply wo kona koda. Me catch no brain. Aboa abra na me che camera. Ebe di obofo atem no. Samoto wanu mani age. Me say I am the game changer. Me obi ntimi nyusu mi o. Me come and talk for myself. We are kwase penny. Dan mo bia. Who see who te shante asiaba mama nko di video no so kra na me na yenko yanim asia ye penya asafo amoma be konto kwa ese dan mo apia Owusu Bempah diwe otimi nyi nanim so obe ware anya ofare so wadiwa ntimi kwase wa umu kra se kote ne nya papa dan mo apia wo se kote ne nya papa etise nkuruma horo asia wo so adane broga trans also adane broga ese obi adwane ajo Owusu Bempah eti aje wo wodi wutwe ya na obeba be life ba wo kasa enko ba bia wo sister enko ba bia man say da nu nsam no kakra na yenko ya nim na yeni nkomo we aye boko o se akura face da mo pia asia ba kana fo yenko kasa ni yenko. Oh, where is the video? Kasani uncle. Talk and let's go.
Mr. AIDS, HIV man, I was spreading
Asiana, we are probably HIV or my mua. Owusu Bempah the HIV. That one appear. Oh, Jawa Owusu Bempah Baba so Kraman or Satuni. I want did through and HIV to come out and call someone body say when you're HIV. Say your buff would jina one year Owusu Bempah jina wa. Why not the personality as HIV that more appear? A pig, a woman, pro Owusu Bempah, and not the Bible say ever to be. You were useless fool. Diamond, go and come back again. I am here to throw a challenge for you. You should come and sit on your camera like as I am sitting here. We are poor. Why did it true much Owusu Bempah? Diamond appear. Why did it true Owusu Bempah? What's here? HIV. Owusu Bempah the HIV. Obiani musu Owusu Bempah the HIV. Now when you HIV, man na ya pro. You catch no brain. Asia diabetes Sofo no. O ja no ho. Abedi obi abrante atem. Da mo apia. Da o diabetes Sofo no ho. Sofo na ye what the pani ansan we preach no. O jai Owusu Bempah jejenchie kwasiampani Kraman ba abue shine Owusu Bempah ho to come and speak stupidity. Evra me di wonu nsam na be bu Owusu Bempah. This time around when you come and sit on your useless platform, now we are this one so you bring some pastor credibility down. Wonu nsam na be bu Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah only chance in mami chemba abue giant kwasiampani Sofo adidin trum Sofo Owusu Bempah Osofo wedin Sofo ne Sofo trumu asi asia. What are you people talking about? Ko ani muni anko kasari anko
comfort than
asia kwasia ya pe comfort Owusu Bempah na e comfort Owusu Bempah na tina solid dem e protect comfort Agradaa ene ni yakoma djuma sese sika de brand wo tonko nyagu ni dem be tue sika wo ne puppet so Owusu Bempah ayi ya ka de say ade we go friend say puppet na wo gira so wo di preach no Owusu Bempah o puppet no e si asori dem ho no a wo gira so preaching I bought it me ba sorry dem one ba be fa wo sa wo puppet na wo gira chire preach no I bought the puppet for you me told me you na me de ba akoko ma sorry na me de ba akobere ho I am coming to take it asia dai mo pia Owusu Bempah na fe no obofo we shimi wate. If you have anything to say, go and talk to Owusu Bempah. He is the most useless pastor in this country. Also for Jimmy Fua, also for one bunny home, also for what's some bloggers. Jimmy who my gun also for one more social media so no or giant software the cheers of war a ponte Kraman software to so super Bempah meaning one who penny my penny tunum but one I mean you pay a good tofu Kraman Asia also for the Kraman check also Bempah also forwarding Kraman check Asia mine. What do you mean? Okosoma diamond appear to disrespect Obafo. We are chimney for some people to challenge no. Emma. So what we are Emma, you should try. So the Sofo be able to for this country. Also, Bempah is not man of God. On your Sofo and ten will be okroha. Abua onumpo. You people are trying. Some of them the credibility. I am fine. That appear. Say you pay the credibility. I told Bimwa and you Owusu Bempah. Ya probably the credibility. Ya get you chili got temu. Ya get you chili Kraman Bimu and you Owusu Bempah. Na di mo nyam da form and my tiet ya so and my ya bra e go Owusu Bempah ni mo nyam so. Me ni wonu. Wasia. Who sent you here? Who sent you to come and join this beef? Who sent you to bring yourself into this beef? Do you think say I will get time for you? So I am throwing this challenge to you. Say you should come to life every day for me to get your content to beat your boyfriend one brano. Sa J Sofo. Sofo no di chance one. Sofo no di chedi trumu and your Owusu Bempah. Wasi ya mambo si ya mu bi ya betena ni ama ni din. Me poni di Owusu Bempah. So ya Bempah. Omi ya shase. Onya egbe to frame balawo. Abuaba. Asiya. Eh go wanim jana so. Ya go.
Okay, you're moving comfort down one. The Mr. 8.
Shadi Jimmy. Owusu Bempah di trumanya HIV. And your diabetes. Ote ho wayatiasie wo enso owu ya so opro. Uja Owusu Bempah ho. Abefre obi konkase. Na ye dobofo no Owusu Bempah gina hwan na afon. Hwan na ye nkase? Hwan na ye nompe? Hwan na ye yalefo? Hwan na woye se de yamne na fe no? Hwan ene ya de abani ni pedua abubuo ye gozo. Asiafo, you don't respect. Damapia, uni chance ni wate. Damapia, umami che. When she miss your yasa, compare baby da. Do you think so grow away your Instagram agrowa home? Upcoming blogger. Pebe bits na near floor gonwa. Kwasia, when your buff for fiat na ubedini pini. Damapia, so when your buff for fiat na. Maybe mama part me so bedi your buff for pini. Kwasia penny. Oba fi, oba fon. Ohun tomago ate. Ohun kan. Okoja na ya we ya hu. When nimu se kura awaton mu. Wasiam penny. Usole editing. No akotwa we, no watwa we. Ewura. Sa wo de wona we press on Facebook no so a. Obi o yo defo nya me yehira no. Sa ye nkotwa we, ene ye ntu kwan no ye useless. Okodi utwam. Diamond, ukwa ukodi utwam. Hwe. Oba wo gira ho abrewa dada de entre. Abrewa dada de entre. Kwasiam penny ba. Aboa yetu yantufu ahu. Yantufu. Okay. Now we na jarbe ba to kwa we mu. Ewura, go and come back because as we are fully loaded, waiting for your stupidity to bash Owusu Bempah. Kwasia Sofo no tena so de dem a empanifo ni di nkomo a na etua na no osofo want to be kana no ntum osofo a asam nka de tachere maso Owusu Bempah ade ni nkuruma na ba tachere ma ho wo ya bua ba wate o ma me chimifo no ontufo a fa wo gimi etira ofie se Owusu Bempah se wo ntimi ntu onkwasiafo de furo mu begimi a me de baba wo so wo gimi ma me. Do you think some me ba yada adiako mama me take attention natina kwasia omo ye beggars omo ye cockroaches in front of me to be back on to house diamond appear a shower ni tutu ni ba e wiase mpanifo nyina dinasi so obi antimi anti sika nkoye ne ho ade kwasia mpani ba woni baabi da Abua wo didi na fofo nchen na wakonifie akopɛ manchie baabi akoda diamond apia diamond apia on se nkwa na akoye woto eso wafuru de wantimi anye kwasia usore na usese fom a so akoye woto obi a waye ni tubia na fu ya flat onkwa wo bedwa wanum se wakoye woto eso hwe wafu oba wonmoda hwe wafu koshiokoni ba diamond apia koshiokoni ba diamond apia diamond apia 1 minute apotro ana 1 minute apotro kwasia Owusu Bempah di utwe na odi utrum hwe de Owusu Bempah de ne yare spams agu yefunu ama wafu aye abuaba diamond apia aish yankɔ de yankɔ tie na num nsɛm ne bi hwe Jimmy papa oh yankɔ me ba ne yakɔ yani
who be one
hwe Aba mo sagro ni ediri ye bonkro wa. We are not joking here. We are not malafaka joking here. Ya boy ya honi ye ban. Mesa sa ya de ban. Kwasia. Aba mo sie di agro. Owusu Bempah sie yansa. No chimi wa my God na mudodo. Weni mu tan si bini. Owusu Bempah weni sa potro. Ate. Kwasia mai. Ya dileti ayi ya dileti ni Facebook abua ube dileti Facebook unya hwehwe yo. This is just the beginning. One ma pumpo and mu dileti mu Facebook no. You don't see anything yet. Sure. Owusu Bempah na ye comfort. Me catch no brain. Owusu Bempah e de dia konfo trumu be dia konfo jeje nduro ni abosom asia utumrika abra me ba esa be nunku bi se no ani age because you were expecting saka fede beso na ka masign the wako hu masa kira wo to hu no tuo no Owusu Bempah pe obi a wo de be tu sa yuro no chimifo
Red Owusu Bempah mo bra Red Owusu Bempah ne you know why you no obi a go American go city bi
Owusu Bempah mo bra o bra me no show Owusu Bempah ne fia wo tim nkonwa me na me toye Owusu Bempah mo bra diamond apia and it's a fact and also phobia no na gine tia buru kire etiti biri and Owusu Bempah na ti Ghana no wada be useless I want me mo bra kwasia wo wo ti diamond apia wo ti Ghana wo so yo ba no adwuma be na wo ye adwuma ben enya ayi asofo tunumu ana wotafre mi atua oka diamond apia asofo tunumu ana wotafre ni atua oka just name asofo a watafre wo mu tunumu o eni wo mu kwatse ho emi atua oka and then you pass judgment no and then you so your ba na kofi be ma kwatse ho kwa ye betimi ajele wo your ba na do trum e betimi ajele so diamond apia should get ready you are going to jail because wo de trumudie any kote ho kafre any your business wonu mo bie nyuma eye djuma pesca wo de wo twa any utrumu and all the pesca kwasia any ya pass judgment no wo be kire djuma ba this time oba besia wo ye gay oba besia wo de utrumu and diska utrumu na Owusu Bempah the anointing wire na odi wura utrumu na odi pie aboa dia na Owusu Bempah de wura utrumu no me ma bo wura Owusu Bempah dem ho matama to atwere eni ti na Owusu no me ma so pa no se dia we na me di da ma pia trum ana me ama fa na ma to atwere da ma pia ma to atwere e no wura Owusu Bempah dem ho a onye dia odi be di utrumu biem because no diabetes ama ne kote ne awu kote no ensole kote ne enye dwuma etu odi dia eni di da ma pia trum
35 yeah mo confirm dem am fie na wo simu no sa fie ni bi na di 33
o fie ko no a fie be no wasi o fie da ma pia fie be no wasie wono osofo a wono tam sika akoto fie wa America sesa de yere ne ma akogu America. Can you compare Owusu Bempah to that pastor? Hey Diamond, are you not ashamed? Osofo a watna Ghana ye na djuma akoto fie asesa de yere ne ma kotna America na enwo mu anu akọ holidays no waba wako holiday Owusu Bempah ni briade Owusu Bempah wani briade me ka kire wo Me catch now. Udru you can bezini refuse. Udru America ni refuse. Kwasi ampani way to a my gun but once for him is your nation prophet. Kwasi amai. Who give you that damn nation prophet? I want to be your vessel. I take a more and a big believe who so your nation prophet. Kwasi ya.
Well, you know, Tom, I think in our one.
Also, what Jimmy? They didn't call ice cake or torty bread. And one no ban who lucky or ban who lucky or your bapa or your bar with your bad luck to sell diamond appear. Now, Owusu Bempah with Chebiano and Puabanaso. Oh, now you are coming we. Oh, Yabo Owusu Bempah. Mama love on us. Now you are coming Owusu Bempah with true wing and Owusu Bempah and Guasena statue. I blame to Owusu Bempah for our castle diamond appear. Oh, for the new true being. Oh, see the die. Kwasia, wait, I say. Or buff wine or your bow one lucky. So I told ice kinky. No, I told tea bread. No, get jelly kunechi. I'm a lady kurabesika. I go to feel America. What's the one in the Marco Gumosu and pay? Sour birdie be the Wunyaso Bawadio. Sour birdie be the and maybe to send I'm more appear. I want you to give you two more. Ma Sofo, what's your different? What's your green? What's your blue? No, red I'm more appear true. Ready, chum. Now we are what the Owusu Bempah could say. I'm a pride by Yano. Oh, by law, what I'm more appear. And the Owusu Bempah. Hey, Owusu Bempah. Me too for the one to you. Me catch us a diamond appear true more wood, you know. Why your case? Now I saw for baby, and I did true more. And what they look near, anyone win there, and then super. And then, but we couldn't listen. And now what are you saying? What are you trying to see now? I see ya.
To talk. Nenina is a crazy.
Oh, boy, about for you and who of a child now up here. The who of a child 1,000 million times. You to me, Grandpa, you made, and was sister if you. Diamond, oh, to me, you made, and was yellow fee. And you are fenomenal. Ne bag your little quine down up here. And to me, toe nippedia. Nem pabwa with Jinaso, and you were nipple yam. Cramai, down up here, cramai. Don't compare yourself to Sarah. And you will class no or bow with you kunechie. I'm a sorry, I'm a congregation goom, and you're class no. Okodi Owusu Bempah. So when you answer, how do you answer Owusu Bempah? Owusu Bempah one map on the police, a very real petition. Don't compare yourself to Sarah. Don't ever compare yourself to that woman. Useless being that appear. Or Jofu Kraman. When you say Kraman, I born or one again jasso. I was saying is say that will be that will appear son when you must say. What's Siaba?
One of us school then.
Oh, Jimmy, 1 year school, one go school by net or Dimuso. 1 year school, one go school, or when you want to Owusu Bempah, one go university, and then one was to catch Owusu Bempah, and then when you want to Owusu Bempah. Mama go university, my brother was saying, and the diamond what the Koshiaba, Kwasiam Penny, I Kunukura wouldn't mean a bit of poor, yes, the university, and a Bob Brank, Yen will be Kenishe. See any school near Bob Brank, Yen will be Kenishe. May catch it out. Also, my pet Simi Fono, schoolman or call, class 1, crowd what's in the Muda. Above 4 with class 2, and the class 1, a go school, now Owusu Bempah in a park, so a did true.
What? And I said, let me see the name of our house.
Oh, eh, Mamma Yasa, me, Mamma Yasa, me, hit some of a different video. Biana, me pedam up here and lose some. I see a back on my jump at a qua or burn while you're lesbian. I'm the actual chaba. I'm a one of our trabes on the set. Oh, Johnson, will traba air from me. I said, demo Kitakoti. Diamond. What's now Babesia made in our couture? Now ya Johnson or Babesia Jinatente. Now I train a chaba that a Jew so often more pie to Sakotia. A boa. Whoa! You are welcome to the game. I give you the benefit of that. I give you the benefit of doubt because oh, you're secular. Diamond appear, you are a secular. It's a one of I mean, person made me pressure by also. Because you are a secular. But my mother went Jimmy. Ya come on 5 million ye pia on the waba. Yama 5 million and ye piao edwaba abua Owusu Bempah na kasa obetimi me a kongu piao fa wo ma wo. Me say from this time around obi enu e be ma ne chance ama na ode Sofo bi ani ma ye form abua odwodwantwie Sofo te so Owusu Bempah no ono kwa mo respect no odwamfu no mo respect no Kraman ba Owusu Bempah mo respect no odwai ba no mo respect no eye no osofo kwasia osofo in my foot. You people think that we are going to sit down for you fool useless people. Some of the Ghana Sofo wedding bear from. Now, Sofo, Kwabrane friend wants to Sofo, Trumu no die, or no crab friend of Sofo. Was Siam Penny. Casaniaco.
Who didn't chew, what didn't chew if it's in
Obwa, Obia set a record. The whole world has set a record. And now we go. Or Sofo would did through more a Owusu Bempah. Obianim. And Obia from Brotre, no background, no ye gay, no Pobia did it through more, no Owusu Bempah fee. Diamond, one hour got to also go Owusu Bempah fee. No, I would need two who say at the floor and in Nigeria for no. Yeah, what can I say? Flights no one ever found a call Nigeria. No, one got Professor you, Omo Codini true and over the buy. Diamond Pia. And as I said here, and in Nigeria for and the Owusu Bempah and the far flight, no more than why in the catcher was a flight, you know, or coprichi. Why in the catcher was a flight, you know, or come. They rather come and take him to the Nigeria. Oma could did it true more to the true more. I to tell the Shuase line at the hell. You did it true more. I'm on the Shuase line up by your from Owusu Bempah, a Jumokoy on Nigeria, no, only cast.
American was it new. One more beer was never so what it is.
Yeah, a Juma man and your chance what the American to be. Chance what the Ghana near do true. Chance what the Ghana near do true. A poor.
What to when I so was. It's so this is me was Canadian table living.
Oh, watch me, papa. What was Canadian? Who was Canadian in the Juana? Nick was tomorrow near Juana. Wasia unyaya ka uti abrotre ye live ni bi ta bia unyaya ka uti abrotre ye live ni bi
esa fo ko ma and say o mama me no mrante
we ni Jimmy also to be moskani bia din because osikani bia ni krom ha also to be moskani bia din abu chan mama ko manim kakra na memra na nsam ha kasa ne akọ
bra ma bon wo kan we did 35
asia ena mabobra da ma pia ena mabobra wo so ya de oni wan wine wo sika ya wine no to wine no ato grass ye bobra ye japade ebie enuma no wo so na wo shedem no wadani asawo tutu na wo se uti daya no ena nsa ene wine glass ene nsa ene wine da ma pia wo ye krasini papa all the same penny for in apamon. Penny for would you much in my pamon. Would you Owusu Bempah na ya sack him? And then me be Owusu Bempah no more sem. I'm a Ghana penny for who say Owusu Bempah ni pa ni didn't come. Then you Owusu Bempah share a secret. When you share a secret with Owusu Bempah, he will expose you because na no enna or you suffer trofo. Or you suffer na no enna. O ka some chena and can it
because you are nobody, so shut the fuck up. Oh, Mom, 500,000.
Oh, boy. Owusu Bempah ne dim kwala momu 500,000. E yo Owusu Bempah. Mo de niam e wo fie na mo de ba bon tin be show bi. E bra mo sofo dwedwantwie Owusu Bempah bo no. Eno na mo de san krofo. Entwamoa emoa mo sofo no e bra wo bo. E na mo ba mo de show bi. Da mo apia go and come back. See ya.
Person we head to toe.
Oh, what going on?
Let me see for going to the name of our service.
I was your for. Someone found Kraman come and Diamond appear at it. Quasi about me pa. Diamond, you are here listening to me. Mr. Owusu Bempah din Kraman too. And America. Owusu Bempah odin Kraman too. And Kraman, Odium Trum say fe. So for HIV, so for diabetes, so for yammy, so for what your curse, and you Owusu Bempah. It's men say Owusu Bempah. I'm Sofo before to try to disrespect any pastor in this country. Because I saw phone normal wallet is home. And they are responsible pastors. Adam me do Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah will be a responsible man. Kwasi ampeni won't be your bad word and money ni. Abuan kwalan and word and money die. Tina Jane Ryan Kwalan Jane. Kwasi Jimmy to Sofo and kwalan to the floor and kwalan cancer and all bloggers and a channel on ye. O giant Sofo way. I don't cry mubuno. O chai Sofo on the Kramus Mubu. Kwasi ababra befa nefa kodi. U Jimmy Salmon and Roberts now like a kind. Brana befa nefa kokodi. Abua yalefo. That might be on a HIV. Who HIV? Obiani so HIV. Kwasi ya. Mubagi who HIV. Shobanim. Shedanim. Moye obanim. I say a cra. Who's one in an etching? Diamond who's one in an etching? Who's one in another etching? I feel mammy call another video. So, maybe me penta me quite juma. Mammy call another video. So, can't you see? Brahmin can have some girl. Brahmin can have some chocolate.
Gosh. I got time, none of the say, I'm going to record the voice of you never get the also.
Can't you see? Mammy can't some girl. Me can't so much now. Oh, what's your Jumana or sorry, I know you also been petching now, you know. But we have some more cicada of a lawyer, could I win you? Can't you see? If you want anybody to blame them or up here. Because she was the one. Our people who would deem someone new I said Jumana. Can't you see? So when you could draw. I'll bet me that solid diamond appear. Shut up. I'm telling you. Because sir, Nana Brava Kuala Salon, and your woo diamond appear the do deeper move. Opiama won't say a class when you came is Yakasa. And your diamond appear and a best friend, and the audio is there. We have proved it to Ghanaians. So if you want anyone now, Obe accuse Sunwa, can you see? Accuse diamond appear. Now come on to. For this time around, Kawalu. So when you could draw, I'll bet you catch a diamond, appear as a diamond. And then I'll call you with Juma. Now the me cages, me di ebemu. Because a young man and a better do the bemu. A diamond appear and a bebo ding. I will audio nimu. So woo, and now they are calling a command and brown. Maybe coming in. It's a candidacy. So when you could draw, I will never come as someone at a diamond appear. Keep quiet and go and find somewhere to sleep. Kola. The catch now. Unimuna just do chimney about from. The catch no pray. A siafo, Obia Piabo one thing, so what would the Aqualana ma, Nana Brown, more sign a pe Aqualano a Yidefiho, so on recording Nana Brown. It's a diamond no bebo dino. Say, can you see, Unia could draw the back diamond so. I catch a diamond, a diamond. And then I could come some, actually Agradaa, who could boom meeting. So if you can't get the bold to talk to diamond appear, Kawanutu. Because you'll be on the bebo. I am up here and do the bam. Tis also no one to be in Casa. Copper bits and a power drone, co forward draw, co forward draw. The catch now because I do the idea our lawyer fee, I want to be chia. Oh, do courts now, qua me, and me Isika, and my other faka, a cocumase. Tico pepper bits now, jail home, now to one, they would decry out. Don't let anybody to push you because this time around, when you fool, you will not take it easy. Me catch now. Ni mu chimi na mu didi Owusu Bempah kwasi ampedi dwedwentwie abuo furu na chi no abunsuo nyansa no kwasi awo bia begina bonten sai wo na wo dia kwala na koma na brown na wone wakasa some go fa kwala ni mfi ho. If you know you are innocent, why na so do asam kwone so aya diamond appear because she mentioned your name. So if you don't have the boldness or the capacity to talk to diamond appear, can you see? Shut up. Don't want to throw light on you. I don't fucking want to throw light on you. Nothing about Jimmy for a good shine. Nothing about that for judging cheer Kraman ba Bramin cancer. Bra and not sure one so you will need to be out of social media. So we need child. Nothing I mean, Menya wa wasesa wo yire ne wo ma. Edi omo ko pese kaduro. Natina, I'm not like you. When I open social media trend, open social media powers, and wasesa wo yire ne wo ma. And we tu nipa gu Ghana. So omo ko peduro and family Natina, I am not like you. Me catch now. God has given me the power. And when I talk, you should shut up. Crown for what's here? Also, my esposo. I'm a program on my pamo. My esposo, I'm a program on my pamo. Didn't cheer. Quasiam penny. I'm poor. I mean, as many video, my responding to you. And I was saying, maybe free Momo camp. All because of say. Owusu Bempah to me and come docket. Hey, maybe no. Ya the docket and the dada me. Come and feel Owusu Bempah you. That's in our giant betie. A poor flu betie. Yale for betie. Quasiam penny or dimmer bini. Near Chiana Canetina. Brabetie. See the docket and a me. Ya the dada me. I come in for Owusu Bempah you. Because Owusu Bempah will join the room and have all the conversation here. A poor flu. Oh, buy it, Nassana Jane before you come and talk. O kasasi Jimmy for o katasi o ya can say a frumu panko na tina o kasa aya fa hwehwesi wanim na hwe wudi mi na aya wudi kasa but upon that ni ina no nyansa eni kasa ni mo abusia for mama yase betimi anya ne video na nro ba ye na nyansa eni kasa ni mo agrase si afunu aba betena se en Agradaa no en okohu wo mo and almost on web one, and obi ni bonnet. Now I am a fat docket. Owusu Bempah na more promise you. Owusu Bempah na promise. Sa obefa obi dockets. Na me be boss her voice no. I'm na tina wati. Sa me yan dada me. And I want to be for one no num. And I'm na me power some. Me say mu jimi ye ni mo kwasi asem. I came for revenge. My recording mo. Munya nipa me metimi apam asem da. I say, was see a fed musu, said G and J for a press conference. A fed musu, said you could do what demonstration. I assign you moving to your much no my press conference. No, I'm telling you, send you, son and so a boa, because Facebook knows. Quite many and run program. I see ya. Mamma, I have to force a video. No, now I am calling him. Share video no asia meme probia be kasem na meme atutu me ayesinetina anunsuo yalefo twamwa ani bresika ni brenti obaso woni wadafo na kwa me yepe eni ya tunam na woto nkrofo wonam na woto nkrofo pedro latina fa ujimye pe ba bitina yalefo te se wo kana maiba te se wonatina Mammy, pam wa free program ni also mama ye interview ni bi can I see mu ina beba me the power of me ya pam eno na ya odianti anu abetna etie mu enyanyaw aboa amimi di Owusu Bempah tama wo so wu natina o ya hwan obi aburo kire kwa wuntimi rent dan tinam na wo deda wo na fofo man twea wo hwede wo kire asia apetwe Judas entry asia kwasiam pedi be ma wadi wiase ma nyina wadi wo me ba konkobo me penatina enra ni program na obeye no me pen mabo na matie na ma reply no asia odwanfu dwedwantwie Kraman eni ye yanko where the meet to be fan machine mo. I mean more has.
Agradaa.
Kasa ni yanko. Sha. Me ma yemre we si mi papa. Masa. Me boom technical fight o. Me boom strategic fight. No be me pie ba audios or say more audios. Me pie ba me punch with audios. Wo ba ye na oka me video am ba ye no eno na wo fa no be discuss enetina o bo me bo style bia bi me bo na me bo boss no kasa ne anko wanim so wo twan asia we hwe de wa ya ne tachere ma hwe Jimmy way. You didn't true mama or the wire or the wire or trust the other wire not to say aquala for only penny.
And I'm sure mammy better to know when the name say a fool.
Hey, Cabeda Nayoya. Many was a fool and one of the shamono. A fool any one of the shamono. Cabeda Nayoya. Or see a my mature or some me raspiratua. Me ghost. Me chausa me raspiratua. Me ghost. Me raspiratua me any pabi mu. Me catch now. To me book of you kuwa. Me jim husu ye nipa. Sadi amaranti ane no drama who nipa to say and go kone and Kraman. Me raspiratua. Me who to some poor. I see ya. Kabebe usi me urem. She. Masaka sani ngo.
Enko mama we saying.
We. Be dia kama usi.
Evidence am my container because you don't hear. You know me pray. I didn't never be media so I'm on comfort.
Wo check Natina wo check. You don't have anything. Wo check. Kwasiato. Kwasiampeni Judas wo check. Adi ntrumu sofo wo check. Me catch now. Me catch the woody say you don't have any time to bring it out. This is the time. You're poncho. You're so everything you have it. Bring it now. I see the idea we are chimney baby. Do you think we are joking with you? I'm not here to joke with you. Catch it out.
Only politicians. Yes, that small one said they are not squaring the Jumano. Tina come up a crab very no more pay for me.
Well, be anyone your politicians or pepper they would more pay information. Piara. And you also been pabra bonnie. Then the woody sem. Then the pa bo. Then the quasia somebody the Jimmy somebody more sam. I would do my gun and move. Now only ni pen 24. Nayana yame ya. Say on my moon penny foot medium credibility at a form. Now Oma could get Owusu Bempah fee. A boy way, Owusu Bempah the Genchie, Kraman, Kwasiampeni, or Jonfu. Or Jonfu way, or a frugal panko, and the diapoma, I saw them when I chill trumu, and penny fuck could away him. Abaway.
She's the alcohol. Then I could expose you on them.
Casanianco. Yet, Massa phone told was Biara, my boo. You are confused. You don't know what to say. Auto walkway. Yadu communicate today. Was a metome boss. You are confused. I'm telling you. Hey, me a jano so also. A jano, a so also. I'm not joking with you. See, don't and told boss. What bar for me fire? Because I can't drone it here. Ya see pubi and check a bedroom. That's how I go.
Appear case on Anye Yetiha and I'm confirmed Dominic a buy.
Nina, you also Bempah. Nina, you also Bempah Bonnie a word dear in a Michian soccer. Also Bempah, a Bonnie a word dear, I want my gun and I make a chian soccer. A riase, would dip on in a dip on in a dip on. Last minute, Mr. This time around, you know. And then you're watching Owusu Bempah. Yeah, Pamon penny for with your Owusu Bempah. Need you chat Owusu Bempah. Actually, Ghana penny for. Now, Obiania than Hoso, including one of your Monabunara, will be very careful because Owusu Bempah or your truthful or your useless man on to me keep secrets. It's a one now also this time around. And you keep on talking to Owusu Bempah, your credibility will come down. And it's simple. Agenda show who ye Owusu Bempah. It's simple.
What I say? Yeah. Dominic Castle.
Okay. Kasana, why you confused? Oh, your uncle. Why you confused? Why you confused? I see ya. Now, since some be called Kumasa by a meeting Crawford. Now, also say some free south and buy ye. Committee Owusu Bempah. Ma Owusu Bempah ye audio. Mark one night catch them say. Or Benjamin Dockets, now only empenning for a member audio, and penny for the Yamabatum, and never some of the bulls and penny wasam. My catcher will say, when you come in full, I will come out and beat you with audios. Because my pumping and I'm a deba. Sure, as you come meeting penny for them. And I get that sign, because see, number 4 will bet me the dockets. I died, darling. And my friend Vice. kwasia Owusu Bempah kwasia mpani we e keka ne kwasia samwa na or the vice president edin na or the vice president edin aboa we kasa na the vice president edin wone nkwala edin komo na or the vice president edin na de Owusu Bempah de ye nanado se mpanimfo ni bi wo hwa ko Owusu Bempah nya nipa amade mo ho bebo no de Owusu Bempah de ye nanado no se mpanimfo ni bi wo hwa kama fa mo nkobo Owusu Bempah jimi fo we e de no betimi ya mamo aboa we e de no betimi ya mamo or you fake man of God e de no betimi ya mamo o tietie nkomo girl bi e wa president ayi vice office ono e no mo Owusu Bempah information de besi bi ya no afre na no aka kire no na Owusu Bempah de hye nkom kwase aman nyame be de no kasa nyame no kasa da ben abofo yi wo mu wadi kire da ben osofo a wo be di fie ni bedi nkom a ade be kire no di kire no de hye nkom kwase ya me jimi sika o Owusu Bempah me jimi sika $1 million me jimi sika nyasa me di watam wa ko sisi Owusu Bempah me jimi sika
ana Agradaa say say obobokis and now Agradaa say be better okay I have the audio here. Agradaa catch me say no BJ abe BJ ko frame an
Shajaja wo ni oko why me say why confused and no program kwasia mpani kwasia to Judas entry abedi twa abefiri twa kwasia no nyasa same na no abeta obekai nyasa ben and no abekai
any panon say who are program so na say
maka kasa mi enko ya why you confused oni fraye nie me say Owusu Bempah wa kese o ama wani afra sa wo so Owusu Bempah kese wo ma wani fraya and now by life and so and share glasses because o catch them me praying say Owusu Bempah kese no affect wani since Owusu Bempah de to an bobo form a wo sign call ne ho no wani hu ade da it's Owusu Bempah you want glasses na be your life say them say ye na ye te kaniam we are all sitting on our lighting ye na ye te lighting rings lighting na ye te bi mu by your space so Owusu Bempah en kese wo ma wani flyer ye glasses na to we a challenge also pray all the recordings mama mate
wana Agradaa be friend some na BJ kan onya kwa ne BJ kan ya no kra na adwuma sese
chiakai
obianti o
yetie
guy no Dominic fan sika no eyo no aka
boy na Dominic fan sika no me say adwuma maka adwuma ti do so be pre challenge no me pre challenge adwuma maka
da akwada
kwa wani mu na punch me na me de mitimi kasa
na me bisa say nei vice president and Agradaa mu and as a vice president and I can't Agradaa say
mu good vice president anymore say Owusu Bempah and then the bloggers
and Odinatem
Owusu Bempah and the bloggers say
juma
mu good vice president anymore say o Tom Owusu Bempah and the bloggers mu good vice president anymore say munyi papa di din free monum munyi papa no edin free monum na mu good anymore say tonto Owusu Bempah we chimi suenyansa woni o bloggers we chimi mu suenyansa adai
ye juma it was a time ye quick G&G for no pay abontin tio cartel no ma building
e dey be cartel
almost pia
e dey be cartel Owusu Bempah dey chimi ni mimi twitwa na ni so ma be di mochi ma be support mu ani mo betray me mo betray me and I'm me fuck him up. It's a money G&G or Massimo Mogoka. Money Sofo or Massimo Mogoka. I am taking my revenge. I'm not fighting for anybody. But I have said it in authority. Say anyone who will come out to insult any pastor in this country. Mini wenya. Whether the pania me tamfo, whether the pania me dofo, when you will be pie, any Sofo be any mabaya form. I praise it kwasi ampeni. Ojimito aboa Kraman atetekwa Sofo wotimi ko obofo we yere birthday ase koboro Johnson nenebo we Sofo Owusu Bempah To be called be party, I say, rings up, bro, nenebo. Where's Sofo? Wait, what Jimmy friend of my friend Sofo? And yeah, you movie. I mean, for them.
Enunti yegyina so ede enkata akoma aban lawyer penyini said there be hwehwesa ensem we mu because voice na yeti wo audio ni mu de eye Sofo Owusu Bempah a voice ana yeti wo audio mu
okay
so Sofo yi aba abedinai se voice no enye ne voice na so yesi aban lawyer penyini enhwehwesa audio yi mu na woma ye enhu nokre ewo mu se aban lawyer penyini entumi entu sa na mo na yes so your next step no ye dey betu dwa
okay
Good.
hey
And you know the same audio no ukunu record here.
and I see na jaisu Owusu Bempah no yinika and o mama bon say and penny phone taking him on and they will take him on. So stop crying over then when Jimmy to do one suni too much. Oh ba ayabo babe. Natina this time no and tokwano I'll vow to buy ayabo babe because one suono this time around no and you too much to buy ayabo babe. What was say?
And the BNI and the Archbishop Campo Obianti Kodi Boneno Mudiano Omura Bonti. Audio
Yeah, I don't need any audio. So I'll be Cambo more, so be uncambo more. Owusu Bempah no ne GNT for Cambo more. Cheers, Sika, see and Jeremy. And then over so you who free move for it to look say, oh, you're innocent. And I made some investigation. And me detective. And my yachira say, Owusu Bempah is part of it. So he can never be my friend. Until me yamadamfo. And I may expose me.
Obianti. Ono ani kono fa audio no mra bonten. Na Obama na edit because na TV.
Bring it out. O Jimmy for na tina kwa siaman. Wo so temu kan. Eh? And I want to aso pete. On the Friday. When are you coming out without your glasses? Asia. We don't need it. We don't need it. We don't fucking need it. Owusu Bempah no must someone that wants him. Dear and now who are password and the area. And yet am I? Asia Tori.
So why no one man was here chino? Why not take gun and
Owusu Bempah sent them for the second time. Obey them.
investigation because we say let me demo Sofo Penny Papa Badukobi Papa arrest
Tio, why an investigation bibia? Well, who said Reverend Owusu Bempah and my chim?
Mutio.
Second, Vice Ako Papa Reverend Owusu Bempah ason them. To who said to me, it mema o shame.
Also watch me because me Owusu Bempah abra me ba bon tia me se me ni nkubi mu no. Na Vice enko ne ho. Also watch me because me be pie free south buy no. Any 1 week and I'm saying papa didn't could be. So I make peace with the man before answer them penny for no alcohol. Now also a penum jaw giant, Sabi me dear chila, coming sorry free in Chayu. Mr. Owusu Bempah is not a man of God. So I have run for my life. It's more Jimmy. Now your man friend more. Now more did true said you no so did true. What I bet me a collaborate. By any will be there. It can never be possible. Come.
If you ever ask Owusu Bempah, Tina or switch one. Or whatever the catcher would tell any video why you need not Kayano. Way, ya Kay, run now with them. And someone like
that's in our energy no form, who energy no, I will force it to be pushing me. Who energy no form, it's me pushing me. Oh,
and run out them. Emma. And the meeting now because I'm penny phone, almost the phone number one, phone now, Reverend Scott.
Owusu Bempah Jananum, so by Jimmy phone. Nini I have the audio here. One to me and you phone. What we are was Osama and penny four by Jimmy dockets. Next thing they can't so much now. Say a peobi or my gun and more. na portray ne ho all because empenifo abane na yase enti obeyusu wo mo e de ye ni dirty works me Owusu Bempah ntimi use vice president din a police fo empenifo bi din emfa use me yo Owusu Bempah you were thinking say obetimi the sadie no abeyuse me but emfa my idea 1.7k mo love no so Owusu Bempah me ba be bo wonu mu asem na tina Jimmy for kronfo wo yiri nia a wo betena wo nchen what do you yiri nia na tina are you not ashamed of yourself wo yiri nia ketwa a wo betena wo nchen what me edi wo yiri asole ahomache afiri wo yiri mpaso akodi wo yiri nia oba ho aya sansam we ni nipa epatie se wo di wo yiri nia eno ne epatie na tina na nye aboa kwasia ne wono nsuo ni dabi be che Ghana fo se Owusu Bempah wo bone be no de ma wo ama wutimi nya atumi edi wo yiri nia wo yiri nia o one shey ya me anim you call yourself a man of God fellow apostle di wo yiri nia fuka shakwala ni nyinsen akoya abortion e de ma akwala no na tina wo ba ben ana obe frey say wo pe baby e kwa ben e yo ba ben ya wo ba ben ana also pe baby e kwa ben ye fa no mpem ha e hu audios e beba member wo yire ani atane ho so oba chibi fo no di wachi no so fo sa wo nkwa na ye be ma wo no tena e be si ni yi a me ka che ni plain sa onya adwensa chara because wonya no a wo de ne mani bi e be gi sikaduru eno ti na wo ti say aman krado e be ka say wo ahia kwaji sikaduru wo tu mrika e we ka mu hu ahi no because ba say hu ahi nkyira wo ba bi okoye na ti na sikaduru no wapache wo wapache ba wonya bi da kote so be wu aboa e de komo na ni be di ye e de komo na wo ni be di ye say ememam nyumtofo bi wo UK omo so omo ba kire ba bi omo ko ji ruminati na omo ye but instructions omo di ama on say omo be di utrumu for 40 days omo ye nipa 7 omo be di utrumu for 40 days before they will introduce you advice when am the man omo start di ana I asem bi so na tina ye di utrumu for 40 days and some ye do ya ko introduce you for the ruminati aboa peduma ye usora uti social media so opese ye ne ya udi wo yiri nua upe ruminati emema makoma 7 si e bedi utrumu and some ye introduce you na tina beche Ghana for die tia wo yemo ye kuro outna ayi media no so no wanu pruso eye de ntia eye trumu die ni pass 7 Bia be do 3 times a day. Anopa, awia, enumere, anopa, awia for 7 days. Asia mpeni Sofo Owusu Bempah. Sofo na ma no obo pampers. Ya dini true mama wo bedro so awon kai, obeni awon kai. Wo de ono be compare asofo bi e wo man Ghana. Betie na no nse. Aboa no ampeni fodu ni so le dem a na obobo omudin na odi tu ne ho. So your penny be our link it to Owusu Bempah. You should be very careful. And come on, be our anybody no a peer, a danano, or be a hunu, like a vice president, grand wedding command. Owusu Bempah, you don't have to bring it out. Kwa yo, and I never say, no record the brand. But here was soon to try. Me ba bebo audios. Share video no. Sure. I me boom say abetawa what the minimum no musam na be life. Aza, I'm not to move. You can't fight me. Catch it out. Share. What's your phone, oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Eba mama mo we na fe. Me fan road you.
Me come on, dear Chibi. I don't Ghana. I call Owusu Bempah so just a galado car. Papa no.
It's a fact.
Na se nyankopon ma me say Owusu Bempah nya no kwafo. Onye dwuma ma no.
And not yet, oh, can cry, on your no quaffo, on your jumamano, it's a fact.
So, no, that's a true. Sofo. Let's say, you're going to me. Say, Owusu Bempah, you're no quaffo, on your jumamano. Or someone jabu ye drama no bronzam. Or you dear crowd different move. So no kasa ya tro. Nyaja. Na John Amoyam. Say we are so na ba ju Owusu Bempah dia me kwame didi ni.
Wasia na wo wan so Owusu Bempah ye trofo. Ewiase nyina ba gi na dia nkwa wo nyini ni da. Na me ma be na me so ba Owusu ye trofo.
Da oyo trofo. Mucho, say we are so phone na ba ju Owusu Bempah dia me kwame didi ni da. Say I come last say that say can't to me. Say me you Owusu Bempah ni na me nyanka me na kaniti because me ju Owusu Bempah dia me ko he. Me can't catch you.
Say,
I feel you need more da.
any more the ho.
Any more at the ho. Until me go be a papa no me go don't feel the time. Me come.
Now obi e dani fini nkyɛn na ye ni mu bi nso yakɔ na yakɔ hu sɛ ɔyɛ trofo atro nyina agya na ye dwane afini nkyɛn a why are you trying to defend this idiot? Why are you trying? Also damage control emfa because oni mutirim say ade papa ne yeri nyina enye pani we na be kɔ ne ho na ɔde te abɔnten afeyanko audio no so meba video way and I'm say me Jimmy Sikano video way and I'm be Jimmy Sikano abusuafo yentie
almost for rally all money really free no e the year the muta na Agradaa mi jinya mi asem na ma de bia na ye bia fi jinya mi asem so and say last year 2020 e go lu my ho me ba for it I feel well so na Agradaa mi kita ma for it e wo me nsem
afariya ne kita mi no aya pink bag no $1 million Owusu Bempah eje waje ha etisika we and also oba refound na ode aba Owusu Bempah, you must refund this money too. Adama say, so what did the amedeba to asori them on aba? This one too, you have to refund it. You have to refund it. You have to refund it. $1 million. You have to refund it. Oh yes, of course. Because I mean the 10,000 Abra will pop it so. Now when so, and I say orange a yimwi. And I say orange a yimwi. And I say what was here? Good. Where the Nyamia dom evidence our home Sikano and except Mataso Eda Hono. $1 million. Owusu Bempah, you have to refund it before my lawyers get to you. Wait, $1 million. Yes. When Tibisu Afam won't buy it is we are taking our money back. Yeah, Jay. Also, what did you protect? What must say, Sika Galeno, and so when to be a farm protected, Sika Galeno, I hate it. There was a refund scanner and money back, and $1 million. It's also Bempah scanner with J and where the MIO, where the MI, where the MI. What must say? Where the evidence at the home, so when I get to court, I can prove it. Who fear and I'm a tear. What damn and I'm a tear. So you have to refund the money back to me. Any joke? Oh, what do you have to say? I was here for me, boom. Shut. See ya. Maga said, move the agro. Hey.
Good.
Tia audio na me baba bono mon tag kwasi ampani Judas apeche entry podam for na ne demu fi sabola so zoom lion mon tag ne mra be ma fi no proper UK e fi no de aguni dem ne damunti e fi e na ye fefe mon tag no me tie oni power ti o my Ghana mu o na all the vice president din e jananu se obi se eyenokre se obi edi bone a ono no de ni tomi se enko jejeje nkrofo docket because ono wa twetuo ene sekan as salam god fo be gu oba be sie fie abetututuo ne docket no ya beje et Owusu Bempah e kire se empanimfo woni omudi sa adwuma no e wo man Ghana mu no oba be expose wo for them to know say Owusu Bempah nye nipa eni de kati mu sem because ogumoni mu ase yenti abetra say Agradaa say Owusu Bempah entime nye ne docket ontime nye ni phone enti okoba bia omobadi phone me da me ko bia ho me jina kwantem kro. I am a woman of myself. I am the social media queen of all queens. I don't joke when I start. Tells me about wasam. Now those stars fan number so. Now me go tiamete. Gege chibi folk krasini oba na oti asenso na nimu nyina pro. Abetina ho. J fo. And I'm offering on the buy a boa kwasi penny. I mean gege. For prove bra I ebedusika. O try me prove ne kitameno. Me dene courts. Me prove and the kitame wo Owusu Bempah fie $1 million because me sika. Kwasia. Konfa no check I want it. Oso obi abedidi wo obi abotom. Say the Owusu Bempah bokro no. Jinkro for covenant seed. E bu omo faso no. Obi abedidi wo obi abotom. He should get ready for the $1 million. Kwasia. The medebe share ne fie ne Bible mu de no ye 10 billion. Me de ne court way, na me de we so court way. Me ji 10 billion wa ha no, na me ji $1 million wa. Next time, o share oba bia ye friend Agradaa, obeye say, no was salute me. Siafo, muti o man mu na mo de o man panimfo dini. Ana mo di dwomonum. Na afu so betime de sa dada bi we. I convince me. Now they are Tommy forever. Me ne so. Sa me di boni amra no ni mini. Sa me ni boni so a esa wala. Asiampani. Tie wasum.
Good.
Sir, you meet me Tuesday.
I'm yeah.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock.
Saturday.
Now,
Mumma love on a so. No more report say, Mumma love on a so. Mumma love on a so. Am I? Nothing about you. This is the organic. Mr. Mujimia Biamo Benjimino. Let me do who audios about them. Salamayamo. Assembly of Babeka to convince people to tarnish some pastors' image, you know. Now me the audios have been prove only power what you are buying mu. Yes, I know. Mr. Me, Owusu Bempah, met me up for 10 years. The me no kasaya ne de. Matesemu ye hu. Say the me no kasaya no. Mo de court on some and brama kwan say woni obi akasa. Ba me body oni nkrofo akasa first. Boa. Magas me do be dia. O jonfu.
Good.
Choose over. You know, we will be not one no. Mama, what we said, 1 or 2 things, you know,
Good man.
But since you've been working per se, look at
ya. Me person me working mumu yi docket in the cry. Owusu Bempah, where are you going to work? Say obi to your mind na dependent dipone. As you people claim to take the person to the police station. How can you civilian work to take the dockets? That means we are not safe in this country. Also, me. You were thinking, say, oh, the sir and Yama cockroaches and Yama way about Tommy forever. The catch now. That's it now. Oh, giant down for Owusu. But I bet you, you're my girl and move. Now, ordinary penny to me, I did the dockets. Every court, any police station. Also went back. To another say, now so phone to and a second. But if for man in change, or the to me, make the dockets. To also went back, I say, Kwana kuku nipa, na uku nipa, na udia tem, and manua, or the to me, about the dockets. And mua, Mudi Koshobi. Mudi Koshobi. Mudi Koshobi. Shut. Mudi Koshobi,
Oh, wow.
Mama sa ko mechi mutie.
Ma kache ye na yo wa yo.
Sa ade we no mo de dada mi no. We or the dada me, not the tomatching. Oh, obeje me docket, obefre penny we, obefre penny we, obekani nyina. Asia na me ni mitrim se me ni bone. E dey anti na say me ma to me to convince me say obeje me docket na me di wachi. E wa bra me ni mitrim se me ye bone. Na I bone amra no ni me ni, me ye bone so amra ni nya me na me nkomi ba bi. Aye simple. Aye simple as ABCD. Check. Asia for mo bo mu ki na mo se nipa ko gina police station. Na afa mu ntimi. Eh. Asa men ni kwasam o. Ma phone men ni kwasam. Edum wa ha na mani abre. What is this? Hey. That was your what? Okay. Okay.
Choose over. You know, we keep the Bobina, one day long. Mama, what was that one or two things, you know,
Other mama parts will comb him before his time. So, Jimmy, we are penning away Jimmy, na your two for no one see. Now, also the bloggers, a bit Jimmy, made their bloggers and about economy and your machine. Because we're no more somewhere keep terminal. Also, Bempah, send the pana woo. A bearman, a D woman, may check. And all the spams, a woman, a woman, because Jimmy, a high level. The more you people are fooling, the more I am exposing you people. Timus Yenyas. Audio Bia or the Dumoyo. Audio Bia, or say he should stop his bloggers case or stop paying for. The stamp cried Mamunya Sasabano, or stop Bia, or Momu Fumibo. I mean, couldn't anymore some more. Or Momu provoke me. So provoke me. Now me what time. Now me busy. Me baby couldn't anymore some more. Me ye busy crowd find time. Me couldn't anymore say. Share.
Good one. Good one. Good one.
Because since you've been working per se,
oh, wow.
Sawate. Me force per se omuyi docket in the crowd. We are now the questions and me ma ko sia asofo. E wo kumase. Na sa asofo ne so mbeje me docket amame. Enu nti na me ma reject Owusu Bempah. Odwan na ti na aboa jibifue kwase ampani betie o. Betie. So wo pe obi a na o convince me say obedi docket a. E yo Owusu Bempah. By me nye that cheap. Sa me di wechi, sa obedi me docket nti o chi mi kura na me di wechi. Kamami gege Jimmy ye, I would disrespect me. Not because of say, Owusu Bempah say, or Benjamin dockets. Tinime Jimmy me home. Now mu Jimmy, Dabio. Maybe I make Obama men qua. Now would Jimmy cry and me Kenya me home. Sana metie. Sana metie. I say Agradaa collect to you too. What they call say asofo bi. I me show mukumase. Innocent people. Maybe call Kumasi and Monsieur cannot the question Sofo. Meanwhile, so Owusu Bempah ne Ghana. A convincing Crawford. Obi no be kwa call ya robbing. Na police for the never court. No Owusu Bempah fetching. No akofre. Mema voice ajo o docket. Inti kodi atema me. Obi no be di boni na Owusu Bempah fetching. Mema vice ajo docket inti kokoma me. Jimmy son of the vice president. Edin e Jimmy wo my Ghana mo. To me ben Owusu Bempah wo be ma obi abedi president. To me ben. Owusu Bempah no bia. He don't have power. He's not man of God. He's useless, hopeless man. Edin true Sofo. Wo bia obeko ne wo bia o de no me na ebeka. Wo bia you fall to Owusu Bempah. O de no me na ebeka. I'm telling you the facts. I say, Agradaa, we need 4 of you in Ghana. Because Siamai wait in fear, as the same nipa, a good media. Now, who deep on air, according to him, no, I got to say, Major Dockets. Because Siana no crack, some police stay, call to now, Modemia Cojinano, and Yano Crescent may deep on air. But I am father say, me deep on air. And a Marano de Miacojina courts. How can you also Bempah to tell me, say, Memea Kocho Dockets? That is a deep bonia. You are telling me, say, I should continue, say, because we decide boneno. Na Jimmy for way to my gun. Na penny for Solomon Corner, I say, a poor way. Wait. Muriana, mother pet a soft for nobody cause innocent pastors, the respectful pastors. A software was sra, and war almost war. As I would do Nigeria, Ukwadi would true when you now pass only be mu, no preaching. And one of Benny dancing, maybe I could be any affair, Benny dancing, my spiritual father. Owusu Bempah was a wire. One no, whatever Owusu Bempah, near Pamo. I saw him be a bit will be a near friend because he's the boss and the commando. He's the boss and the commando. And when Nigeria also drew all useless. I see enough for some who do true when we are now do fee and no kawa and no bad luck. I could pass only be more than like a wait chat about Ghana. A boy who free Ghana drew Kumase. Owusu Bempah who free Ghana a drew Kumase. Echo ye program crowd be a man. One solid man also saw what go Kamu, Echo Kumase, as a program will be a man. And Kumase Ampo, wouldn't ye any munam. Kumase Ampo, wouldn't ye any munam. I see how Jimmy now the same Krahano, who did do Nigeria. Why? Ayawa. Damo appear some walk. I was your 1 minute. Hello, says, me wa life for. And your man family me ofi. Yeah. Many a man so yeah. I was your family by 1 minute. What was it? Or the power person president and you say, hey, Owusu Bempah. Or no, the dear Chiano. Say, or bet me, I didn't call 4 dockets. Or no, all manipulating the system. Owusu Bempah.
No, there is no way. What is Sofo be just some kind? No. I said, no. Sana tell the apostle, yet to be called. In your policeman in your juma. To be called Sadian. And not Papa.
But see, I'm a docket to credit that court or so bench. Now, phone ya then. Phone the guitar police for. And between me and you, all say I'm ready and you are my ready home. That's what suspect. Obey the suspect in the phone. Fine, obey the action. Watch the phone. As somebody do quarter, you have to refund the phone to the person because your phone, she him. Most of my solid. And it has nothing to do with my personal phone. It has nothing to do with my personal phone. Phone in here, mucho kenya me, Benjamin phone. Majima dear. Asamono, say ya day a baby. Ye do ya, I will make me phone. See, I know dear mamma worry.
Sylvester Salvo. Adaya. What's it, sir? Agradaa. Serious. What you say? Mammy, we kwasi about street.
Natina, me ya kwasi aba. So me won fa so che wo yire. Wo yire wo timi da dem. Eba wo di mami gege. Eba to ne mpaso. Tam wo yire kwatne jale mukase. Na wo di mami gege. Udi mami gege che. Ewa wo ne wo yire mpaso. Natina, me ni munya sa che wo yire o. Adie nkwa no oba obeye kwadofo na wumpa adwuma na wumpa bre na wukunu di oba bebe ufie e wa bra oba no di ni birthday na mo beye Facebook live ebe wie na wo yire ukunu abeka kira wo say me ne ma me ngege beye secret conversation eti tweye we gale ho mukase kitchen ho wait for us at the kitchen na wo de wo yire ene wo ma Asha kitchen. Na what to womu. Na wudi mami nkeke. Awa wo yire bedroom. Natina. Mimi Jimmy no. Mini munyasa chen wo yire yo. Wo yire. Ewurade. UK Zoom Lion. UK watch mine. Sure.
Yes. Yeah me the pa. Sadia obesia kam. Wan ye twatwagefo a.
Mommy anko. Ye to audio no so. To audio no so. Me chraw. Onipa. Ogu certain president. Enimu ase. Ayo Owusu Bempah.
Good.
Sir, you need to meet Tuesday.
I need.
Yes, it's 4 o'clock. Now, I think, when you're out, my country, yes, you want you. Choose over. You know, we will be not one day. No, Mama, one or 2 things. Be not
Good one.
Because since you've been working per se,
oh wow.
What's it? The case is not close. You know, why is not
OTD no boy no. Because in the cases in the doors, it's vice no ankasa. Mami komachi. That's also when Owusu Bempah answer. Not vice grand wedding command. You shouldn't have mentioned vice name here. I see a man for to bet me the same man. I bet you will be. No, they are told be. I'm bored and papa. Muntie.
Oh wow.
What's it? The case is not.
See how you. See how obebo DB. See how you.
You know, why is not
I will see. I'm in shock. You don't so there. My boy, Anamoa, which you need now, I am aware. I'm also work my friend.
No more fools say I'm on the Sako Crochi Adada way. Ebetomi you. No more fools on between the Sako Crochi Adada way and the Betomade forever. Share. When I someone who say, me, and you'll be better me dockets. And it's my flow to my battery. Because I mean, me jina dockets in this time, man, come to Owusu Bempah for the rest of my life. Because I can't say, you may use so vice and casa near the ultimate dockets there. I will be slave forever for them. Come with Jimmy Crack, I make it come home. But the person will say, so me, Obama and Compo. No, Jimmy won't want me make Jimmy at now. Messana say, so Obama and Compo, no, Jimmy won't make Jimmy watch now. Share. Yanko.
what the bar out. You know, my information said, whatever like. And so, Mama, before we catch them, say, I am a friend of Catch's old friend, is money. Yeah. And I'll go for. That time I'm go for. I'm not sorry, be very deeply. The first day, if you know, buy him. If you want, no, my people could have maybe our chapter family chair. But near Casacasa, we need the number. If you need the number, we need a number.
About 4 fan and number amount, yes, who achieve me to sell. Cast about for your crassing it sell. And what non and number from. Say, am I?
We catch it. About for said, my teacher, Professor Miachima,
what thing? I had no bookie. Such here a chimney, a your buffalo. And a mere chimney. It's one no. A friend poku, mo catch them and say, or buffalo, but chima, menoa. Now, no, not a fraud buffalo, say, or buffalo, a yai. Oh, he was trying so by your name, who said, or no dear, or you're innocent. By me, I know 100% say, Owusu Bempah, you are evil. I know 100%. So we are evil. That's what I say. Was it Agradaa always disprove Owusu Bempah and his foolish bloggers with audios? That's what I say. Agradaa one in comfortable lead. Me say, omu Jimmy ebi o baba be kambiano na me the audio be you mano. Na me the audio abe you mano. Ko.
So you need to man so papa na me ya. And ye put that they cannot do much work much they die. And one let
yes, I hano o so obo for be chemi bi ono na catch obo for so onyai. Na me obo for be chemi makum ni pa. Me wi ade. Ah, sa o chira yankochi we o chira yankochi we no. Enye o my Ghana mu ne yete. A bibia yankochi obi a. Ka o be chibi hu o social media. No obi ka bi chira wa. O se yankochi we. Fa so be na so. Ah, wala ka chira me say, e na wona de bia o stop obo for se mo be chimi. O stop obo for se mo be chimi. Ade makuni pa. Ana me wi ade. Asia wa wudi tumu kra ya nche o. Ene o ma shamra no. Owusu Bempah se o be chire di obedie. Se yeso wudi tumu abeko jail. To be chire di obedie, ya pass judgment. Sia.
that man really think of what man action. If you come over with what the family, I see. It would be said, yes, so we go and catch up for say, oh my and Chima, they don't take. And you don't take and for say.
I had prove Mama who said, or you papa. I had all prove Mama who said, or you papa, or but for nay. What's I say?
Look at that.
If I tell you, I'll come and tell you something. I know she will come for no baby, I might say. Oh, but Nadia, I'm not my own woman. That's what you from. And then you will be young on the pay. So, what I say is actually or to take me as a thing. Oh, that's all that to say. Or not taking it. And yes, sir. I didn't for
I am so proud of you. Why? You have really improved. You have really improved with your English and school you. Okay. Sawate, that's in a Sawate. I dear be a mediaman and a kufu Mujaman and Mene. Tis out your mamunas and me, Maya Bonia, a dear incident kufu Jami. I was some enemy. Samia Boneswa, I was some Milano, A jamming, na me nyame freedom. It's a fact. Told me you so vice, and they could for the good thing, and for me convince me. Maybe I'm not a coward. I'm telling you, if I am guilty, if I'm not guilty, the law should take me free. Maybe I'll be you should be not channel, or they are threatening you. And I am men of my year free, and I am men of my year say, and you are myself fake case. What bottom? I also come back to me this way. I bet Tommy. Tell you I'm planning here to try and throw me a better criminal. Now, what did Drew Courtois? Now, Mohammed Say, and one bench. Now, what they are Tommy on. See, I dear Chena Jimmy, now make me come out there to them one. Now, what they know, I bet threaten me. Bra, ye dear someone I could see us here. Ye did, I could see us here. If I'm guilty, I'm guilty. If I'm not guilty, I'm not guilty. I'm not a coward. That's right.
I'm saying, I'm so good.
That's right.
Maybe I'm a name. Only trust him. Yeah, because already no. My men almost almost on
also, also by exposure. I say already no, my men no. Almost pass almost say no. Say ya bonny bin my yo, and ya bonny bin my ye. They just want to say almost say me keke. Now only baby I will come be. Some about say me no. Nyame so bet say wo. Christo bet say wo. Ewurade abofo bet say wo. And also Bempah no. I say almost pass almost say no keke. Oh my God, I'm money at no.
So, what shall I be on the way home for so?
Oh, yeah.
I'll send to me. When I'm taking my time.
I was there for Mamma Comachi, audio, and me cook me more baby. Mamma sound call. Comachi.
Yeah.
And now, my ma, a practical friend. So, we need the number.
Okay.
Make a clear. A very good man.
When you friend audio, Nanya, maybe I made the man who are coming, someone kita on our boat. I see ya. Let's see what's soon.
My friend of mine. And I'm catching say, that come Mammy Park. Now, what xtra for Bempah, Agradaa.
Yeah.
It's me, friend. A friend of catching so friend is money.
Obiani say, me xtra for me ba Agradaa mu no. The mama xtra ye ni nyina ye wo Owusu Bempah. Wo Jimmy Sam. Ah mu Jimmy ye, man national security for be che me, Jojo me, akoba no se me nya adwuma ni bi. Enti enye obofo ana ye. By hano na mu pia ball ni nyina e de agu obofo so. But me intelligent. Oya ya kra na wo kan ho bi. Oya ya kra na wo kan ho bi. Ti emeyi hu mfiri.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, the first day we don't buy him.
Yeah.
If you want, no, my people could really take our temper from the chow. But I'm not going to need the number. We see the number that we need a number. It may catch it on both for six. My teacher of a song, yes, money.
Oh.
I mean, so you need your money for one and make that. And yet, that they cannot do much work how much they die. And only time I really think of Mammy Park. If you're coming over when you go up, I
see.
It's what you said. Yes, you may go and catch your both for say, oh, my young Chima, and I'm taking. And you don't get and for say.
Look at it.
Oh.
I know she will probably put no baby and my affair. Oh, but dear, I'm my own woman. Pressure will be from them. And then you will be young on the pay.
I don't know.
So, I say, it's actually you. or to 10 years a day. Oh, after I was out of the table, almost teaching a little. And yes, you
when saw your penny be, police penny be, and now your penny be, na a Owusu Bempah, and I'm punish me. And now what's happening? No one would Jimmy. And now what's happening? No one would Jimmy. Say, me, we a penny be, now Owusu Bempah, and I'll punish me, sir. And no one would Jimmy. I'll say, oh, my way, demanding in every year. All the honor about Orca at the chairman. Or you don't want free. Moana more punish me, I'm Owusu Bempah. And I want to the Orca.
He was a German. This is the straw who will be able to be my friend.
Yeah.
And your sisters, no, almost half frown. Abrana will be Jimina and Gege Jimina Medema warning. I don't know, sisters, one frown. I'm a one stop Gege. Because my recording too slow, so I'll best stop home. And then I do a back and go see for the second time. What's it? The Bia Mayaman and Uncle Swallow. I call your chicken.
Oh, that's right.
Now, who say, Obia de Bonnie and pass away de Bonnia? Who to me way? I'll be man and Uncle for to see a yarn free. So be a de Bonnie, not or your crown for ampa, or your woodini ampa. And then I'm running any now wo Owusu Bempah. Beman and Uncle for to see a yarn pan. Because what you two, you're jaw free.
That's right.
Maybe I'm getting yeah, because okay, already now, my men almost going to take
Tete almost tete me nyina almost tete the ama wo Owusu Bempah. Tete almost tete me nyina wo and they were doing something to praise you. But I said they would do Jimmy. I bet now say almost tete man no. Na kasaya de me ko bania de me ko bo ne be na me ye. But they are doing it to praise you Owusu Bempah. But look at the way you are talking here. So your penny be no Owusu Bempah ba mom pamono because be catch us ko chiri obi punish obi later obekọ twene ho afiri Owusu Bempah for you. That is Owusu Bempah for you. Also then no blame one. So omo pesa omo tete ma no. By tete omo tete mi nyina no. Omo tete dem ma because we jimi mama di watam amadam pali a chiri watu. It ayo omo ya ubu afu om. So I was omo tete me e dem ma wo Owusu Bempah. By and then what betina who blame omo say omo tete ma no for no reason. Meanwhile no omo tete me e dem ma. Uncle.
I
say I love you for doing this great job. With us.
When I'm taking my cat, I'm not to change. No one against it.
Yes. So you
one more tete me. Abraham yemi juma one more. And your bloggers by nano opasa wo diversity in the kogu other opponent for so. And also there, sabi ni mo no kra na there me makwan you. Me makwan.
Na mo so kan se san ko so. Na wa wa and I'm not okay. I don't get my baby much. I'm not happy about it. Now, the biggest thing over there is how we
That's right.
That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Good. Yeah, yes.
And Abu Bank for the no Abu Obidi is a friend rough. Also Bempah, I know na. To me, some will be a would also Bempah communicate. You should be very careful. Wabo Raff D, Wabo Vice D, Wabo President D, way, Anu Kuruma, Jimmy for as someone can way. You need to go. No fool, sir, obey your man with your convince me, and my so bad. I'm a shana say. Da, no matter. Sorry, my sorry. Because, oh, gentlemen.
Okay. Good. Good.
Chief Justice in Sudin Abam. Chief Justice Edin and so Abam. Somebody for when you know, or when you were also Bempah, or Mompamano. Because oh, go when you was say. What's your mind? I am no crazy dependent the Bonia. I am running in.
Good. Now, we don't like social. I am young fun. I am outside. That's right. Because the might can be a That's right. It's true. On my head, the chairman of the police council. Yes. I said, we'll make okay. Good.
Mama, me come and chick a crack. Hide. Nothing. I was Bubble mouth or jumfu, Braveti. There are two of mine and manipulating the law. But here, I also remember. There are two of mine and manipulating justice. I also remember. Champagne for Bobomudi. Now, if says something for we crown po, I am passing when you're wedding command. I saw the chairman. Now the whole gun and none of them. Ah, also remember. Swenyansa.
And you, I don't hear my meditation. I'm not happy about it. And yet,
wow, so they do it because of him. They do it because of him. As I say, and so no, or some dear mamma no any. Where you are mama, where you put for nama, where you police for nama. Where you minister slama, where you want over Bomudi, you know, where you mamma. Most of them put your mind one, Mobay anyway, innocent people. Namudimu to me and manipulate one. I was my dear was here. Who's my banner? I suppose mono. But yet, innocent soul. Who's my bench me? I'm a maxiano. There was some use to me more power. Now, nobody manipulate me, tell me. They me kotum, battery. At the end of my year, Makunipa. In Kunipa. And I also a mama.
Marty. That's right. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Good. Yeah, yes. Okay. Good. Good. Now we don't like social. I am young fun. I am outside. That's right. Good. And because the might can be a coming.
The Akadin Nano a kill or bois or Nissa to me or the Janum. Now Metimia Quaman, the Metimia Penasam, say oh to me, only Foco, a catcher.
That's right. It's true. All I have is chairman of the police council. I think we'll make okay. Good. Good.
Also, they need 2 million. Not only PPR,
that's right. Good.
Until I can tell that and come here. I got to jump up with that. The Christian
Messay, money professor at the end of Modimia Kojina, more mekeke, because I am innocent. Money, Sadiana Modimia Kojina. I dare when you go to prison. Because many bonnet. And truly, all her court case has been. One has all the court case has been. One. Tina, very so what say? One would near or not your main one or Jim for dockets. Evang will show you. Are you also embarrassed this gentleman? Eh? Also embarrassed this gentleman.
Now, also, good.
Sir, you need to meet Tuesday.
I need, yeah.
Yes, 4 o'clock. Now,
Baby, I was Nana queer, but there is something wrong with you. I was here for maybe.
Yeah, it's a sad way a war, a headquarters.
I'm running away, maybe. I have peace so. I have pin so. On your way, I don't know me person me bought my mom, but I never more. Now I wanted that over. Eh? There be a man who pray them, Yanko. What? Obiana Brown, a command no, make on it. And you don't tell me by. Maybe Obaka someone, not me the moon some other.
You're fine.
And to that thing that Jimmy for brand video in echo for everybody to know. Eh? Only pa. Or say on my or say oh I got pray that be that from the samba. Only power to your mind gun now or to think for dockets. And Franco said different pastors. Why? To Jimmy, you know, no more see a summoner modest media. Or the bad media Owusu Bempah. So because he's the most useless pastor in this country. Where Jimmy only Nyansa. Owusu Bempah Nyansa. I want to say yeah. I send you on my back and then audio way and penny form no di kobo nyina hu suban. Aba voice di the audio ba ko bi and so police for di na kwa hwehwe na me no so be peso na a police form di wachie vice awu di wachie and penny form di wachie na omahu the kind of human being Owusu Bempah you are. Was it pray not pray I'm free so. What was here? No omahu said ya what's here. Awa no enna na adie bia edabonte asia dawa bia sia nyansa engege abobo ya UK what's in UK there UK zoom lion asia for next time you respect abose again ya me show bibia